Hi, good morning everyone. Oh my gosh, it's been a while. So Tung and I are obviously back. We have been back almost 2 weeks now, but the first week we came back, we just slept. We drove from we drove from Oregon to Illinois within 2 days. Dong did most of the driving. I just contributed very little bit. It was still a very tough drive back. After Wyoming, what's after Wyoming? I forgot. Is it Arkansas? Kansas? Sorry, I forgot what state it was, but it was very windy. We rested for an entire week. I felt like we just never had enough rest, ever since we came back. But, we did fully recover now. We're just so old now. So we are good. I don't want to get into too many details, but we originally decided to go on this long journey, living out of Jeep, living out of our car, living out of our tent, um, and that's why like my husband left his job, but we came back and we were gonna rest and then we were gonna head to east, but very fortunately Dong got a job offer that was very beneficial and very good for him. So we decided that it was best if he took the job. So he will be starting soon. So we decided to just not do another long trip. I mean, we are, he's gonna still go camping with me here and there, but, I don't want to make any promises. I don't know what to tell you what's gonna happen from now on. I mean, I'll be filming. I just needed that week off so I could just rest, I think for now, I'm going to temporarily vlog. I miss cooking. I've been interested in cooking again, so yay, I'm very happy for that because for a while I was just like, I don't want to cook. So that's going to be my main content for a while. I don't know how temporary or how permanent it's gonna be, but let's see where this goes. I feel like many of you guys don't know, but Tongi and I and Ame are currently residing with my parents. And we thought it was going to be very temporary, but we don't know yet. Like, we're pretty comfortable here, and we really hate moving, and we don't want to move to a place where it's like mediocre, because I mean, like, we want to move when we know that this is a place. So it's our temporary living situation at my parents' house is going to extend a little more. So anyways, today I've been cooking for my parents here and there. It's been fun because I get to make a lot of food and we're gonna, like, there's enough people to eat all that. So I've been kind of liking that. Before I used to love making just enough for two people. Like, that was really fun. But now I want to make like more. I want to make larger amount of food. The process seems like more fun. I don't know why, but I have a wok that I recently purchased and it's still in the box, and I do have to open it. So maybe I'll make something using that. One thing that did change, major thing that's different living with my parents, is that our dinner time is very early. They, especially because my dad, he likes to eat dinner early, so by the time he goes to sleep, which is pretty early as well, he's fully digested. So our dinner is very early. I like that too, honestly. Let's open the wok. I'm excited to use this. What should I make on here? Like stir fry? Should I make a stir fry? I always want to deep fry something in this, like a big wok. I'm pretty excited for this. 맛있다.
Look how consistent it is. Persistent.
뭐 할까? 라면 시킬까 아니면은 장보러 갈까?
둘 다 되나?
Because I have to get dinner ready before my dad comes home.
아, like 3.
딱 3시 반까지 밥이 돼 있어야 돼서.
뒷마당에서 못 씻지 않아요?
말리는 게 문제지.
You shot extension cord with your Dyson?
We did that last year.
Hair?
엄마랑 했어.
아, 힘들었지?
힘들기보단 말리는 게 좀 오래 걸려서. 그리고 if you don't blow dry him enough, he shines too much.
아이고 이뻐. 뛰었어?
응.
재밌었어?
요새 노래도 재밌는 노래 없어가지고
그치,
뛰는 것도 재밌어.
우리가 거기 갔다 와서 들을 건 다 들었어. 나도 운동할 때 음악 듣잖아.
Running is about music for me, and if there's no good music for me to listen to,
맞아.
or any song that I'm addicted to, 그러면 그냥 뛰는 게 너무 재밌어서. 그거 깻잎 그거 알지? 깻잎 그거 떼주는 거. 자기는 해줄 것 같아.
뭐?
떼줄 것 같아.
What's the thing?
깻잎이 붙어 있잖아 항상. 근데 그거를 다른 여자가 she was struggling. 근데 네가 그 깻잎을 잡아줘. A lot of women are saying you cannot do that. 괜찮을 것 같은데?
interesting. 만약 할때 넌 도와주지 않을 거야? 답답해서 할 것 같은 나는. 아씨.
나는 여자 나름이야. 내 친구들이면 괜찮은데 내가 조금이라도 안 좋은 여자가 그러면 너는? 내가 다른 남자 깻잎 떼주면 좋아?
내가 아는 사람이면 오케이.
돌아가면? No. No.
아이 이뻐라. 아이고 이뻐. 아주 얼마나 이뻐. 샤워하니까 얼마나 이뻐.
이거?
맞아가지고
어?
국물 있는 거 아니야? 그래도 우동 따끈따끈한 우동이 낫지.
아이 밥해 먹어.
이 물을 왜?
먹어야지. 짜. 내가 밖에서 장인처럼 튀긴 거야 이거.
오 그래 잘 튀겼네.
응.
그
그거 왁에다가 했어.
여기다 밖에서
응.
그거 찍었어.
그릇 샀어 그?
응 먹어봤어.
그거를 뭐라 그러지? 한번 태워야 돼. 태우고 기름을 몇 번 발랐다 해가 그 검은색 안 나올 때까지 해야 되더라고. 그거 붙잡고 하다가
하루 종일
거기
했겠네.
기름 있던데 그
하루 종일 했겠네.
그릇에.
아니야 한 시간? 그거 버려야 돼 난. 아멘.
그 기름 그냥 버리면 돼? 버리면 돼?
맛있다.
다음에 전무 가서 먹으면 없지네.
안 먹고 버릴 거야.
맛있다.
알았어.
물이 좀 짠데? 조금만 뭐 많이 먹지 말고.
어제 뭐 먹고 왔어?
어제 그
족발.
안티든 근육을 써갖고 너무 아파. 아, 씨.